Do you want to add voiceover on Facebook Reels? You can voiceover Reel video on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add voiceover on Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Reels option from the menu. Now, tap the camera icon at the top right of the screen to create a new reel. A new screen will appear. You can record a video or select a video from your gallery to use in your reel. Once your video is ready, tap the audio icon on the right side of the screen. A pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. From here, choose the Add Voiceover option. Now, press the record button to start recording your voiceover. You can scrub through the video timeline to record at specific moments. When you're ready, tap Done. You can adjust the volume levels for your original video sound and your voiceover as needed. Finally, tap Next, add a caption or hashtags, and post your reel.